Hello, this is Dale, and this is another anatomy of a profitable credit spread. Today, me and all my mentees got out of a bull put on Microsoft, and I just want to show you why we did it and how we did it, and show you the alerts that I send out on the text messages. Just quickly, I just want to talk about the advantages of credit spreads. This is what I specialize in. They give great returns coupled with high probable trades. They yield monthly income on a consistent basis. I'm going to show you my equity curve towards the end, and you can see how profitable this system is and how the equity curve just marches right along. Yes, we do have losers. We have losing streaks, but the results of the equity curve show that we've got a positive flow of money coming in on a monthly basis. The nice thing about credit spreads is we are sellers of premium. So time value is on our favor. The longer we stay in a trade, the theta decays because we are the sellers of premium, and this goes right into our account. Credit spreads are beautiful for people that are working or doing something else during the daytime. You don't have to constantly watch the market. I usually watch it when it first opens up and when it closes, usually a little one time during the day. But I know which trades I have on, and it's very easy to follow credit spreads because they don't move that fast. Therefore, it's a low anxiety trading. And because you're doing a credit spread, you're not selling naked, you have a protection against loss. This chart just shows the option decay, especially in the last 30 days, and that's where we're focusing. You can see how quickly the time value decays. And since we are sellers, that time value and the premium is what comes right into our pocket. The other beautiful thing about credit spreads is it's a very conservative trade. On this particular trade on Microsoft, I saw a measured move. If you're wondering what a measured move is and how I decided to get into Microsoft, I've got a myriad of YouTube videos that talk about how I trade, why I trade, and the three indicators that I use: the regression channel, the measured moves, and Fibonacci extensions. Once again, the beautiful thing about credit spreads is 3 out of 4 ways you're a winner. If you put on a credit spread here, you can see how far out of the money we've sold one here, and then we've bought one further out of the money. This is a bullish strategy, so we win if it goes up, but we also win if it goes sideways, or we win if it goes down slightly because of the theta decay. The only way we can lose is if it goes down quickly and gets into that zone where we have sold and bought our credit spread. We watch this very closely, and I'm going to get out way before it gets to that point. So really, it's 4 out of 4 ways to win, but we do have losers occasionally, especially when it drops quickly. But I don't teach how to adjust it. It's either if we've made a good analysis and it's gone against us, we just get out. We just get out. Now, this was the bull put spread on Microsoft that I put on and gave an alert to all my mentees. On June 22nd, we sold a 16 September 225 put for $690 and bought won 10 points apart. The 215 put for 510. So we got a net credit of the difference between these two. And this is when we put that on, when they had a measured move right here. Okay. And the interesting thing about this trade is we profited handsomely, and Microsoft didn't do much of anything. It just kind of went sideways. The reason I got out on, let's see, what day did I get out? Today. Today is July 21st, and that's when we got out of this one. The reason is we have earnings next Tuesday. So I always want to get out before earnings, because you never know what's going to happen with earnings. They could come in with the greatest earnings, and the CEO might give forward guidance, and this thing will just tank. So basically, we bought this back today. The 225 was worth $2.52. The 215 was worth $1.16. So we bought it back for 91 cents. So we brought in $1.80. We bought it back for 91. We had an 89 cents profit, or $90 for one contract. So this one trade, one contract on this one trade, is enough to pay for your whole month's membership, where I'm going to give you my alerts. We're going to have webinars where I'm going to teach how to do this and answer all your questions. You've got direct access to me. But and a lot of people trade more than one contract. I mean, a lot of people do 10 contracts. So this nice little trade here made $890. Some people are really aggressive, and they trade as many as 50 contracts. So you're looking at a trade that's a very conservative trade. It didn't do much, and you can profit handsomely from this. Now, I have to mention that past performance is no guarantee of future results. However, this is the kind of trades we put on a regular basis, week after week after week. This is just the screenshots of the text that I send out. This was when we first got into the Microsoft, where we sold the 225 and bought the 215 for a credit of about $1.80. And then this is a screenshot of the text when we got out today. This was 7/21, where I exited this bull put. Remember, I'm always talking about I am exiting this. I'm not a registered investment advisor. I have to show you what I'm doing. And if you decide after reviewing the trade before executing it, you want to do this, that's up to you. So we got in at $1.80, got out at 91 cents. I'm going to let you know when we get in, when we get out. Just want to show you the return on margin since 2019. I've been releasing my trades for going on 11 plus years now publicly, and it's averaged about 74% winners every year during that time period. And this is just an example over the last what is it, 2.5 years? 2.5 years. And this is the kind of equity curve you can just take to the bank. Yeah, we're going to have losers. We're going to have losing streaks. And, but those losing streaks, we bounce right back. We just recently had a losing streak. A lot of this was during this period was the Russia-Ukraine war, the coronavirus scare. Of course, the FOMC is raising interest rates. The market is very uncertain, but we're just kind of treading water during this tough period, waiting to get back into a period like this. What I'd like you all do is consider joining me as a member. All you have to do is go to www.optionsinfinity.com. When you become a member, I have a masterclass suite that you get the entire masterclass suite. Talks about how to trade Forex, how to trade stocks, of course, credit spreads, um, and all this is available to you. I'm the only website out there today that not only sends out text and email alerts, but shows you exactly the positions that I'm in. I don't hide anything. Everything is right here. I don't hide my losses. I embrace my losses. As long as you've executed correctly and you have a loss, you just embrace it and move forward. And then every other week we get together for a live meetup. It's about an hour on usually on Tuesday. That's always recorded, and I go over all our trades, why we got in them, what I see in the future. There's plenty of time for people to ask questions, and this is really the time that my mentees get a chance to do some one-on-one conversation with me and really solidify their learning and trading of credit spreads. Hope you all take advantage of this and become a member, and I hope to see you in the room. Bye-bye now.